There was a knock at my door. It was never meant to happen before. My neighbor, Anna, she cried with fright. Go away, and never come back. But she went down with a bloody hack. And then I went to my door, but I wanted to fall on the floor. He was right there. It just wasn't fair. I was sad, but I could tell his face was glad. Oh, no. I ran away from what's supposed to be the killer of Anna. But then I hear something I didn't want to hear. I heard a knock at my door, and something inside of me said, it's never meant to happen before. He's knocking on my door. Oh my God, he's knocking so hard it's moving the furniture. Oh, please. Someone, please, help me! Wait a minute. Something doesn't seem right. Where's the knocking? I go over there and nobody's there. But then I realized something. The door is unlocked, but I locked it. Is he... Oh my God. I feel warm breath going down my neck. Please, help me. He's trying.